Hi, I'm Jack.
I'm Star, and we are Fan Food Delicious. Welcome to our channel. And today we are going to be making for you
Pork gyozas.
So it's not a dessert this week, it's something savoury. First of all,
we are making the gyoza wrappers. You can buy them,
but we couldn't buy any because we couldn't find any. So if you can't find any, they're pretty easy to make. So we're going to try and make them. So we need a bowl, we need a spoon, and we need some ingredients.
Okay, so we are going to need all-purpose flour or plain flour for English people.
How much do we need?
2 cups.
2 cups of plain flour. Now, can I just check, is this going straight in the bowl? Because last time I accidentally put it in too soon.
Yes, this is going straight in the bowl.
Okay.
So make sure to not overfill your cups when measuring, as
I'll just let
if
some
you
out.
do, it will be very hard to mix it all together.
Okay, right.
So, one,
2 cups of flour, and
half a teaspoon of salt.
half a teaspoon. Did it right this time?
Half a teaspoon of salt.
Half a teaspoon of salt, got it.
So mix that together.
You may mix, go for it.
Okay, I'll mix. Mixed. Okay.
Well done. And what's going in here now?
So we are going to add half a cup of hot water.
Okay, so we're not overly prepared and I don't have half a cup.
I couldn't find it.
So I'm going to use 2/4 cups.
No, there is half a cup in there. I couldn't find the whole cup. The blue
Sorry, is that half a cup?
one. I couldn't find the whole cup.
Oh no, guess what?
You put not enough flour in.
I put not enough flour in, I put 1 cup of flour because this is a half cup measure and I assumed it was a cup.
I can't find the cup anywhere,
Oh
sorry.
my goodness. Right, quick, rectify the situation. And we will put another 2 of those in to make 2 cups of flour.
Yes.
There we go. That was easily solved, thank goodness for that.
I forgot to mention.
Well, if this is half a cup, I can use this for the water.
Yes, yes you can.
Right, so 1/2 cup of flour, water.
Hot water,
Hot
yes.
water, right. I've just boiled this kettle, so 1/2 cup of hot water going in. Hello, it's good. All at once?
Yep.
Sure?
Yep.
There you go.
And mix with your hands.
With boiling hot water.
Mix with a wooden spoon, that's better.
Did you? Does it say mix with a wooden spoon?
Yes.
I'm glad I didn't follow your directions then. While Jack's mixing the flour and salt and water together to make a sort of dough, why don't you go on ahead and like and subscribe, please, 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 to our channel because that helps us, and hit the little bell, which is down there somewhere. It's that side. Hit the little bell, please, which will then tell you when we put out new videos, because we're going to be doing videos every week, and we've got like desserts and mains, and then we're going to be trying some foods from other countries, restaurant reviews, that kind of thing. So it's a brand new channel, only been going for a few weeks, and we'd absolutely love your support on that. So how's this doing? Hands. It's doing hands. Great. So what we need to do now is get in there with our hands and mix it all up, because as you can see it's not quite dough. Do you want to do that, or do you want me to stick my hands on there?
You have to knead it.
You have to knead it. So first we have to squish it together into a dough. And then once we've squished it together, it's not hot anymore because we've been mixing it with the flour and stuff, then it's a little bit easier to put your hands in it, just nice and warm.
You just knead it into a ball.
Knead it into a ball. So basically, you squish it together, and as you keep squishing it,
5 to 7 minutes.
it turns into a dough.
Yes.
Yeah, well, we're not going to make you watch for 5 to 7 minutes while I do this. Instead, while you go and hit subscribe, we are going to magic this into a ball of dough. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's been kneaded now for 7 minutes. So it's a nice little ball. We'll wrap it up. You're meant to wrap it in cling film. We'll put it in a sandwich bag. We don't have any, so we're just putting it in tin foil, and then I'm going to pop that by in the.
No way, you're just going to let it rest.
I'm just going to let it
15
rest
minutes.
for 15 minutes and don't throw it. And then we're going to be using that in a minute when we've done the filling. How much pork do we need?
500 grams.
Excellent, this is 500 grams. Right, so we're going to put olive oil in there.
Okay, some olive oil.
And we're going to put the meat in there and brown it slightly. All the meat?
All the meat, 500 grams. Watch out for the paper.
Okay.
If there is paper. I don't think there's hard paper. There's
no paper. I've just stood here turning. Oops. I'm going to chop up 2 garlic cloves.
Yes, okay, but not quite. To use garlic chives, but if you can't find any garlic chives, you can use normal chives or the tops of spring onions. Okay, and if you are using normal chives or the tops of spring onions, you have to put in extra garlic clove.
Got you. So it's 1 garlic clove and garlic chives, or chives and 2 garlic cloves.
Yes.
Okay, so we have chives, normal chives, because I don't know what garlic chives are, I'm finding, and 2 garlic cloves.
These are being crushed. They're being crushed. So
I do not have a crusher. I do not know what that is. So instead we're going to chop.
Finely chop.
The garlic cloves and also the chives.
You know how to do that?
I chop both ends off and then peel the edge. Is that not how you do it?
I crush it.
Okay. So no, we do that differently, but that's okay.
The garlic in.
Put the garlic in there. There you go, you can mix that in with the meat.
And next we're going to need chives.
How much chives do I need, do you know?
1 cup. Finely chopped.
A cup.
1 cup of garlic chives or normal chives in a cup. Finely chopped.
Should we just go with this many?
Just in 1 cup in a cup.
That looks like a cup.
Alright, we're going to have a lot of chives in ours. If you are doing it properly, 1 cup is the right amount.
Properly. Oh dear. Alright, fine, I'll get a cup. So here's the 1/2 cup again. And no, it's about right, you know. Look, there's 1. Ready? And
okay, just
let's
check
see
it
what
over.
that. Yeah, that's fine.
How many grams is
We'll
that?
just put that bit in for good measure.
25 grams, using grams.
Oh, that was pretty well deciphered.
I just looked at the packet.
Oh right.
And that's cabbage.
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 I have a cabbage.
1.5 cups of green cabbage, which is not that.
This is white cabbage, because again, we couldn't find green cabbage, but that's fine. I've forgotten how much cabbage.
1.5 cups finely chopped green cabbage.
Okay, so imagine this cabbage is green. It's getting greener because of the chives anyway. So 1.5 cups. So it's pretty interesting how to. That's about a cup. That's about 1 cup, and then another chunk. So that's 3 chunks of cabbage.
3 chunks of cabbage.
And then I'm chopping these. Yeah. Okay, so I've chopped the cabbage.
Okay. Put that in here.
Are you sure this is going to fit?
No, we might need a bigger pan. No, might need a bigger pan. This isn't going to fit.
Right, 1 minute we're going to magic this pan bigger. Already 1, 2, 3. There we go. That's
Okay.
better. Now it'll fit. So here we are. Cabbage in. Yeah, give that a mix up. Don't worry about that. That's fine. That's nice anyway. What's going in next?
Okay, next we are putting 1 teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon of salt.
Separated. I don't know what that means, but
Separated?
yep.
What, do you want me to get every grain of salt individually and put
I
it
don't
in?
know what it means.
I haven't got a
It
clue.
just says 1 teaspoon of salt
Okay.
separated.
We're guessing. This is, whoops, all over the table. Ready? There you go. Next,
Grated ginger.
grated ginger.
Ginger,
So I
1
have my grater.
tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
No.
Just pretty much guess.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of
1
grated ginger.
teaspoon of grated ginger.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut the end off. When you grate ginger, you don't need to peel it because the peel actually stays on the outside. So as long as you use the ginger that's grated into here, then that works.
You
It sort
sure?
of peels itself as you go along, yeah? Yeah, watch. That should
That
definitely
should
there.
definitely be
See? There's the ginger.
Okay,
Um,
that's enough. That's enough.
okay, cool. Ginger.
Okay, so next we are going to need. Oh, did you put that in?
Yep,
Okay, we're going to need sesame oil.
sesame oil.
We're going to need 1 teaspoon of sesame oil.
1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Whoops!
What are
Oh,
you doing?
I missed. Oh no, I missed again. Should we put a bit extra in just in case?
I think okay
Sorry.
then.
Put some on the table there.
Mm,
Right.
Smells good.
what
Okay,
noodles?
so
Next,
next you're going to need 2 teaspoons of soy sauce.
2 teaspoons of soy sauce. So we are using
Dark soy sauce. Which we got loads of. Why do we have so much dark sauce?
I know you got a bottle and I got a bottle, so we have 2 bowls of soy sauce, but we only need 2 teaspoons. There we go. I'm making a right mess here. Maybe we should tidy up magically in a second because it's getting a bit ridiculous.
You do that
Right, I'm
one
going to do this
next,
over
right?
here so I don't spill it this time. 2, yeah?
2.
What? 1 and a bit.
2.
2.
Ta-da.
Excellent.
We're going to need corn flour.
So how much corn flour do we need?
We are going to need 1 tablespoon of corn flour.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just bung it in.
Bung it in.
It's not coming out. There we go.
Okay.
Oops, sorry, made a mess.
Okay.
I am going to magically make this mess disappear.
Okay. Crap.
So we're tidy. So what we're going to do is this is finished cooking. We're going to bung it on here and turn the stove off for a minute. And we are then going to start rolling out our GYOZA wrappers and making our GYOZA wrappers. So, oh wow, that smells good.
We're going to need lettuce for some reason. Oh yes, for steamer.
Lettuce for the steamer. We're also going to need the steamer. So let me just magic that up. What we're going to do is we're going to line, because we don't have a bamboo steamer, we're going to line our steamer, which is made of metal, with lettuce. So
Stop it sticking.
it does, it stops them sticking and it cooks them really well. It's a really good trick.
Okay.
So there we go, that's lined with lettuce. And then, yeah, let's just show you this as well, because this looks pretty good, doesn't it?
That's not going in there
Yeah,
yet.
tasty amazing. No, we're not putting that in there. Oh, we've got the dough that we made earlier.
Yes, the dough. Floured surface, you forgot
That's
the
true.
flour.
So
Corn flour.
how many GYOZAs do you think we're going to be making here?
We are meant to have 40.
40?
40 to 45.
Okay.
So I don't think this will make that.
16 be enough?
Sure. We'll have a lot of filling.
We'll make big ones, it's fine.
Ta-da!
So we're going to put boiling water
In our pan, which
in our pan.
is not in shot, but yeah.
Again, if you haven't seen our previous videos, I am using my really, really tiny rolling pin because that's all we've got. Nobody's sponsored me with a rolling pin yet, so if you do
Okay.
fancy sponsoring our channel, you can get in touch with us via Instagram. So you can find us as FanFoodDelicious on Instagram, and you can also see pictures of some of the things that we have made off screen and some of the things that we've made on screen. So we're gonna put
One slightly heat tablespoon.
yeah, so that's what, 3 teaspoons.
3 teaspoons.
So just not too much of the mixture on there.
We have a tablespoon.
Now to make GYOZAs, I'm not absolutely brilliant at it. You sort of fold it in half.
Put it in your palm.
Put it in your palm.
What it says.
Okay, put it in your palm.
Left
You're
left
right,
hand
I've got
for right-handed people.
I'm right-handed.
So put it in your left hand.
Okay.
And then dip your finger in water. Run it on the edge. Okay.
Yeah.
Fold the wrapper over and use your right hand assisted by your left thumb to create 4 pleats.
Great, what?
4 pleats.
Pleats.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
Yeah, look, I'm doing that.
P-L-A-T-S. P-L-A-T-S. Pleats.
This isn't a work of art, however,
This is done.
it is a GYOZA.
Kind of.
So
that
we'll
goes
put
in
that
there.
Right, you're going to have a turn.
I am going to have a turn screen, but you get some water.
I bet Jack's are better than mine because he's a little bit more careful with me. So what we do when you put them in the pan with the lettuce, you're going to spread them out, but try not to make them touch the side of the pan or each other. And that way, when you steam them, they won't stick together, and it should work better. So while Jack rolls that out, if you're getting bored, then feel free to go and like and subscribe to our video. Subscribe to our video, subscribe to our channel, and like our video. We would really appreciate the support. We love that. So thanks so much. Oh yeah, and maybe write in the comments.
This one.
Yeah, it's fine. So you need the filling. So yeah, if you write in the comments anything you might like us to try and make, and then we're more than welcome, then we will give it a try because we're willing to try anything.
I think maybe 3 might be too many.
Yeah, on that one, I say.
2.
2.
Okay.
Okay, so Jack's going to expertly.
You're meant to put it in your palm before you put it in the spoon.
Are you?
Yeah.
Ah.
You
Jack's going to expertly wrap this GYOZA.
You're meant to do the water.
Remember, dip your finger in water. Careful, it's hot.
Not hot.
Okay.
You're meant to do the water before you put the mixture in.
And
Run it around the edge.
oh right, to make it stick together.
Yeah,
See, I missed that bit out.
Okay. And then
expertly
I
fold.
don't know how to do it.
Expertly fold the wrapper.
Why are you saying stand so high? I can't.
No, it's great. You're brilliant at this.
I
Very
don't know what a
good.
pleat is. What's a pleat?
Sort of squidge it. And you see, so it's not smooth and it's more lumpy, like my expert version.
Better.
No, to be fair, yours looks a lot neater. Oh my god, just squeeze that there out. Who needs that bit? Oh, while you're doing that, I'll roll my next one. This is such a disaster.
Yeah.
Way too much in. Oh my goodness.
That's good. I want to eat them. How long do they
You
steam for?
probably eat all of this, it's fallen out.
How long do they steam for?
They steam for 5 minutes, so that's not too bad. Apart from, I think what's happened.
Did you use the water?
I think that's the problem. So I've got water all over it. It turned into a
How
big
much water did you
sticky
do?
mess with. Do you know what? I think we should just forget this one.
Just
Just
to
leave it in there. Right, okay. There we go. Just don't, you didn't see that. So now we have the
It's hot.
gyozas in the pan. We're going to put this on the stove to steam, and we're going to steam it for 5 minutes. We're not going to make you watch the steaming, but we are going to magically make them all come out of the steamer onto the table in front of us. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So they've all been steamed and they don't look too bad, apart from that one, which was the one I messed up because it's all coming out. But it seems to be holding it together okay. And as you can see, they've got like shiny, which is what we wanted. And now we just got to
Fry them.
fry them.
Okay.
So we
Vegetable.
vegetable oil. How much vegetable oil? I'm just pouring it in a minute.
One tablespoon.
Okay, I'll fry these until they're sort of browned on each side. They're quite solid now, though,
How long are we frying them for?
until they're brown.
They're on the bottom.
I mean, this one's,
Yeah.
but look at this. What a disaster. And we'll put it there. There you go.
Well,
Okay, so we're gonna fry
Fry them.
these.
So we're waiting for them to fry.
We shall make the dip.
Oh yes, I forgot about that.
Yes, we forgot the dip.
Want to get the little glass dish thing? Little glass bowl?
Yeah, how about we have
The last
one each?
You've got them already.
I know, look at this, I'm so prepared.
Alright.
There we go. Right, so we've got one
So-
glass dish each. And what do we need?
Sesame, not sesame.
No, not sesame oil.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce, okay?
Chili oil. Anyway.
Chili
rice-
flavoured olive oil, hot and fiery. Looks good.
Okay, and
Okay.
rice wine vinegar.
Okay, so
Not
we
white wine vinegar.
rice wine vinegar. So we are using rice seasoning, which it works the same. So this one's called mirin. Excellent. So what do we need to do with these?
Tablespoon.
Tablespoon. We need to tablespoon with these.
No, you need to get the tablespoon.
Right, sorry, I should magic a tablespoon.
Ta-da.
Okay, so I have my tablespoon. What now?
Tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, half a tablespoon chili oil.
1.
Getting
So I'm being really careful. Tablespoon of
soy sauce.
soy sauce, that's what that is. And teaspoons of mirin,
Why did you put the stupidly expensive mirin in?
because this is the rice vinegar.
Do we not have any other?
No. Ready, there we go. Tastes good though.
Or half.
Half a tablespoon.
Depends how spicy you want it.
I don't know how spicy chili oil is for me.
Maybe you should try some.
Yeah, it's really
Take your word for it.
Oh! I was going to say it's not spicy at all, and then it hit me. Yep, it's pretty spicy.
Mix.
Mix it. Mix it with my pre-prepared teaspoon. Okay, ready, steady. Here they are. So you can see them.
I lost count of my sense.
Quite spicy.
The dip. Yeah.
That's chili.
Yeah, if you like it spicy, which I do, I don't mind. That was the right sort of mixture, but probably I'd say a splash of chili oil and
Really
more
spicy.
soy sauce in there. So guys, these are really good though. Especially
They are nice.
the Philly. Yeah, really good. Thank you very much for joining us today. It's been great and we really appreciate your support. And hopefully we will see you. Hopefully we will see you again next week. Where we'll make something slightly more Christmassy because I think it's going to be December.
Is it?
Yes,
You sure?
I definitely want to put my Christmas tree up.
Which one? Where's it going?
Which one? Don't give out secrets away. I have many. We're Fancy Delicious. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye!
Hey,